Hi, hello everyone. This is Doretla Radhakrishnan. I'm from Andhra Pradesh, a Guntur district. I came up with a vision and ideology to help the farmers. Here, I want to introduce my company, Easy Crop Tech Private Limited. Okay, and I wish you very good luck to all the interns and onboarding as a first batch. I always treat them as my family members, and I warmly welcoming them to Easy Crop family. So I hope you prove yourself. This is a great opportunity, and I work hard to create a professional experience and to have an amazing platform for you. I wish you good luck. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Doredda Narendra, co-founder and CEO of EasyCropTech Private Limited. We are working on the problems to produce innovative solutions with the help of technology to eradicate the problems facing by farmers. So, my hearty congratulations to all the interns and so glad that all of you have become our EasyCrop family. Thank you.
Hi, this is Gadam Shivani from Mancherial district, Telangana. I completed my graduation in the stream of agriculture. I am an intern in the organization. Really amazed working in the organization in the future. We will grow together and make the organization a double growth. Very excited to start the day with the organization. Thank you.
To anybody watching this, hello there. I'm Janvi, a third year EC Electronics and Communications student at Amrita School of Engineering, Bengaluru. And I've been brought up in Bangalore and I've been assigned to work as a web developer at Easy Crop Tech. So some of the positive quotes I live by, that pain is temporary. I know life could be painful at some point of time, but it's all temporary, because when you come across a situation, you definitely would have come out of it. So the situation would have worked out. So it always works out, and every time you are worried about something, or is it a past trauma or something, you just remember that it'll be fine. Don't stress, and you got this. Don't worry. Thank you.
Hi, this is Kalim here, a fourth year computer science student at Amrita Vishwavidyapeetham Amritapuri campus, properly known as Amrita University. So, the role I am going to play in this company is completely different from my academics. I have been creating content from last 2.5 years on different social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and now I am an official content creator, tech content creator on Trell. So I am very glad that I got this opportunity to work as an social media manager as well as content creator. Yes, I am going to manage all the social media platforms for this Easy Crop Tech company, as well as I am going to be one of the content creator at Easy Crop Tech as well. I am heartily wishing from all the founders and the starters and my fellow mates. I am going to give my 100%, if possible, maybe more than that. And I wish the same from your side as well. Wishing each and everyone a very all the best, including myself as well. We are going to have a great best in future. Catch you there.
Hi there, this is Sai Ganesh from Kuppam, Andhra Pradesh, India. I'm currently pursuing BTech undergraduation in Computer Science and Engineering in Artificial Intelligence at Amritapuri campus, Amrita University. So I'm really thankful that I got this opportunity of Artificial Intelligence intern at Easy Crop, which believes in passion and innovation towards cropping by incorporating new technologies like AI, etc. That I will learn new skills and work culture from this. I hope that I will use this opportunity to the fullest. Thank you.
Hi all, I'm Anusha. I'm from Andhra Pradesh, Guntur district. Currently, I'm working as tech head at Easy Crop Tech Private Limited. I hope we all can work together and make this startup successful. Thank you for giving me this opportunity as tech lead. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Harimandana and I'm from Kayangalam in Alappuzha district in Kerala. I've been selected as a content writer in AC Crop, and I hope we can all work together and make this venture a huge success. Thank you.
Hi and hello, I'm Jaidik Reddy. I'm a CSC undergrad at Amrita Vishwavidyapeetham. I'm from Hyderabad, Telangana, and I'm currently interning as a web developer at CropTech. And I'm very excited to meet all the people here at CropTech, and I'm looking forward to collaborate, have fun, and grow together. And finally, I'm very thankful to CropTech for providing me with this opportunity. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Divya and I am from Mancherial district, Telangana. I've completed my graduation in agriculture. I am an agriculture internee in the organization. So congratulations to Radhakrishna that you have started this. So thank you very much for giving me this opportunity to be a part of the company, and we will unite and work hard for the success of the organization. Thank you very much.
Hello, greetings to everyone. My name is Abhishek Singh. I am from Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. I am currently pursuing my BTech in CSC AI from Amrita Vishwavidyapeetham. I have enrolled for the role of artificial intelligence intern, and I am looking forward to contribute efficiently towards the company and also towards the society. My motto is live life to the fullest and focus on the positive aspects. Thank you.